Welcome back, everybody. So you got some work to do on your X5, and let's say you want to put in some speakers or do some other work that requires you to get behind the door paneling. Well, stick around because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to take off the door paneling of your X5. This is BimmerTech's Digital Shorts. Here are the tools that we recommend. If you're interested in more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We'll start by removing the cover that's on the door lock. We'll grab a pry tool again, carefully prying up, remove the cover, and then we'll grab a T20 Torx screwdriver and remove the screw that's just behind it. This is where it helps when you have a magnetic screwdriver, as not to drop the screw when you lift it out of place. Next, we'll remove this cover inside the door handle that's hiding one of the T20 Torx screws. Set the cover aside and remove the T20 Torx screw. Next, we'll remove the electronic door lock buttons by simply prying underneath and pulling it out. Unplug the cable by just pulling it out. Then remove the T20 Torx screw that's behind. Also, there's a removable cap with another T20 Torx screw here, and two other exposed T20 Torx screws that you'll have to remove there as well. You have the option to use a large pry tool, or you can simply use your hands, and with a bit of effort, just briskly pull on the door to remove it out of place. You'll hear some pops and snaps, which is perfectly normal. Continue to follow along with me as I pry away. At the top edge of the panel, there is a line of clips that require you to pull the panel towards you to access the inside of the door. With the panel free, we'll start by removing the door lock release cable that's connected to the handle. Weave it around the couple hooks, and then simply release it by pulling it away from the door. Next, we'll remove the slide lock connector and the rest of the cables in the door. But we'll start with this one. Simply squeeze and pull. Same thing with this one. You'll find it easier if you turn the door panel and rest it on your feet. Simply squeeze and pull. On this last one, we'll flip it over again. There's a pin that you have to press in order to release the slide lock. Piece of cake. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.